How to create a Telegram channel. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Telegram, and if you're on iPhone, you want to be on this chat section right here. Then you click on this edit icon up right here to head over to where you can create your channel. Whereas if you're on Android, you want to go to the chat section and then click on this edit icon down right here, and it will take you to this page where you can create your channel. Or better still, you can go to the menu section right here and then click on contact. So you'll be taken to this page where you can create a new channel. So what you want to do is click on new channel, then you can create a channel. So the first you want to do is to enter a channel name. I'll just enter NetEase. Then you want to write a description, and I'll just leave that for now. Then you click on next. So right here you can choose to make the channel private. If the channel is private, only admins can add people to the channel, but if it's public, anybody can join the channel through the link. So what I want to do is click on public. Then I want to enter a public link. I can just go with, and you can see that NetEase tutorial is available. Then you click on next. You can see this message. Please note that if you choose a public link for your channel, anyone will be able to find it in search and join. Do not create this link if you want your channel to be private. I'll just head over and click on OK. And now you can add contacts to the list. So I'll just click on next after adding a contact. And now you can see we have a new channel. It's a public channel, NetEase tutorial. And I can copy this link right here and then share it to anybody to join through the link. So that's just how to create a Telegram channel.